a CBSE examination 2011 question. Find equation of the plane passing through the line. So we have to find equation of a plane. We have been given the line of intersection of these planes, the first plane and the second plane, and parallel to the line. So this question has the facts given about two planes and one line, and we are supposed to find equation of a plane. So this can be only done if you are very much clear with the concepts of both line and plane. So now I write solution and let's move step by step. It says passing through the intersection of these two planes. So for the intersection part, we already know we do something like this. We take the first equation plus lambda times the second equation. Right? And we put it equal to 0. This we already know. This can be done for the intersection part. Now keep the x one side, y is one side, z one side. So it is 2 plus 5 lambda into x plus 1 minus lambda multiplied by 3 into y plus 4 lambda minus 1 into z plus 9 lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is an equation which I can name as equation number 1. Now we have been given that parallel to the line. So if this equation, and we need to deal with the parallelity with this line. So definitely for parallelity or for parallel to the line, I say 2 multiplied by this coefficient, 2 plus 5 lambda, then 4 is there, so plus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 3 lambda, then you have plus 5 multiplied by 4 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. This will give me the value of lambda which I need. So this is 4 plus 10 lambda plus 4 minus 12 lambda plus 20 lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. So 10 is here, 12 is here, 20 is here, which is 30 minus 12, right, which is 18 lambda. And here the constant terms are 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 5 is 3. So minus 3. So lambda is equal to minus 1 over 6. So when lambda is known to us as minus 1 upon 6, let's put this value of lambda in this equation. And this will give me the final answer. Now see, 2 plus 5 multiplied by minus 1 by 6, x, and so on we will do. So what is the final equation? Let's see. So it will be 7x plus 9y minus 10z minus 27 is equal to 0. This will be the required equation of a plane, and the plane will be such that it will be passing through the line of the intersection of these two planes, and it will be parallel to the line with the Cartesian equation as this.